In an era where everything a person touches poses a potentially deadly threat, extreme care must be taken to ensure that all surfaces are sanitary. Currently, Mine's custodial staff are capable of keeping everyone safe. However, labor and sanitizer costs are through the roof. As the world prepares to enter its second year of this pandemic, it is obvious that something must be done to ease the sanitization burden placed upon custodial staff. Due to the virus's prolonged survival on surfaces, frequently trafficked surfaces such as door handles and tables pose an increased risk to spread the virus. Thus, we asked ourselves, how might we more effectively slow the vectoring of COVID-19 via repeated contact of door handles?
Team Shrek the Halls needed a concept that would be able to spray sanitizing agent onto the door handle at Mines Market over given time intervals. So, we each designed different solutions, and we all agreed that the sketch of the best solution looked like this. It would be able to spray sanitizer onto the door handle through the nozzles here, while staying effectively out of the user's way, so that nobody would accidentally grab it or be inconvenienced by it. This solution is fully automated to minimize the amount of maintenance required.
This is the 3D model of the entire system. The system is held together using 10/24 bolts and wing nuts. The body is entirely 3D printed and acts as a protective shell for all of the internal components, such as the pump here or the button and linear potentiometer here.
This is our prototype. While some components such as the pump were purchased, our design was completed fully in SolidWorks and much of it was 3D printed. As you can see here on the bottom, these are spray nozzles that can be adjusted slightly in angle to better spray the Mines Market door. Likewise, there is a button that turns our prototype on and off, along with a linear potentiometer to change the spray intervals.
The chief benefit of the solution is that it reduces labor inputs in regards to the sanitization of the door. The Mines Market doors are, or were, a hazardous potential vector for COVID-19 due to the high volume of traffic passing through them, and therefore need to be frequently sanitized. The solution we produced automatically sanitizes the door after a predetermined amount of time, easing the workload for the Mines Market janitorial staff and minimizing the waste of already scarce disinfectant products.
Early on in the design process, we identified one of the primary stakeholder needs as Mines Market staff wanting something that could reduce the need for human interaction. Additionally, it needs to be designed so that it could adapt to spray on the target area, such as how most people touch the door handle, in order to meet the objective of limiting spread. This proved effective in testing because our prototype was functional and small adaptations could be made.
The main benefit of our solution is that it reduces the amount of effort that needs to go into the sanitization of the Mines Market door. The Mines Market door has always been problematic in regards to it being a potential vector for COVID-19 and therefore needs to be frequently sanitized. So any solution that can automate the process is obviously very beneficial. Our solution fully automates the process of sanitizing the door for a very trivial input cost, which will free up the Mines Market staff to do other pressing things.
Now that the final prototype is done and functional, we anticipate it reducing human interaction regarding the need for staff to disinfect the doors leading into Mines Market. Our objective of reducing the vectoring of COVID-19 via repeated contact with door handles has been met, as our final prototype is of desired functionality. On behalf of Team Shrek the Halls, thank you for watching.